Hey, what's going on? What's going on, Freedomers? What I learned from me pouring into dead situations. I learned simply that it was my fault for me not making intelligent decisions and pouring into dead situations. So when I was looking at a text thread of a friend and I, or somebody that I associate with, and I realized with this person I wasn't getting a response. Like most of our conversation was me sending information, me conversing with the person, and it was barely any conversation. And if the conversation wasn't um the conversation wasn't meaningful back and forth. So or it wasn't bearing the fruit that I wanted, right? So I had to realize it's my fault for not making the intelligent decision to understand that I can't feel empty for pouring into something that bared no fruit.